Myself Sakshi Kanojia from Aving Christian College, and I am starting this topic, intellectual property rights. Why protection for IPR, free riders intensive reward, and societal benefits. IPR are territorial right, negative right, exclusive right, and bundle of rights. काइंड्स ऑफ IPR, कॉपीराइट जैसे कि हम किसी की बुक्स हो गई, म्यूज़िक, पेंटिंग, स्कल्पचर, कुछ भी हम किसी का कॉपीराइट नहीं कर सकते, हमें कोई राइट नहीं है. पेटेंट इज़ एन एक्सक्लूसिव राइट ग्रांटेड फॉर एन इन्वेंशन. ट्रेडमार्क, a trademark is a sign capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one enterprise, is a sign capable of distinguishing one enterprise from those of other enterprises. Designs and industrial design constitute the ornamental or aesthetic aspect of an article. Geographical indications. What is covered in copyright? Original literary आर्टिस्टिक वर्क, हम कुछ भी मतलब कि आर्टिस्टिक वर्क हम कॉपीराइट, ओरिजिनल लिटरेरी मतलब कि हम कॉपीराइट कर लेते हैं. सिनेमेटोग्राफ, फिल्म, साउंड रिकॉर्डिंग्स, ये सब के लिए प्रोटेक्शन हमें ज़रूरी है. इंडियन कॉपीराइट एक्ट 1957. द कॉपीराइट एक्ट कन्फर्स copyright protection in following two forms: economic rights and moral rights. Economic rights as per section 14 of Copyright Act: right of reproduction, right to distribute, right to perform or communicate the work in public, right to adaptation, right to translation, right to make any cinematograph, film or musical recordings. Moral rights as per section 57 of Copyright Act: right of paternity to claim authorship of the work and exclude all others from claiming the authorship of his work. Right to integrity to prevent distortion, mutilation or other alteration of other works. Exception to copyright infringement. Following acts are not infringement: private or personal use including research, criticism or review whether of that work or of any other work, the reporting of current events and current affairs including the reporting of a lecture delivered in public, the reproduction of any work for the purpose of the judicial proceeding or for the purpose of a report of a judicial proceeding. Exception to copyright infringement: making a maximum 3 copies for the use of a public library, reproduction in newspaper and magazine of the article of the current economics, political, social or religious topic in certain situation, production by a teacher or a pupil in the course of instruction as per part of a question paper or in answers to such questions. Whether registration is essential, advantages of registration: document comes in place in terms of assignments, no objection from authors, evidence of date when the work was created, prima facie evidence of particulars, easier to take action, especially criminal action where police are convinced with copyright certificate. Remedies for copyright infringement: civil, criminal and administrative. Civil remedies: injunction, accounts for profit, damages, delivery of infringing copies, damages for conversion. Criminal remedies: imprisonment 6 months to 3 year, fine 50,000 to 2 lakhs, seizure of infringing copies. Administrative remedies: register to copyright can ban the import of infringing copies into India when this may happen due to importation. That's it. Thank you.